Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking scope and quick wins. Pick the exact task and measurable success metric so you can iterate fast. Then select a model family and note compute, storage, and data needs. This guides cost and latency decisions. Once done, scaffold a repo with experiment tracking and create a small 1/10 test subset to run an initial baseline. Make sure to log versions and seed values because reproducibility saves hours when you refine architectures. Now scale into execution. Curate and clean data with deduplication and privacy filters. Hold out 10% each for dev and test. Decide how to train, full fine-tune, low raw, or retrieval-augmented inference, because each affects latency and cost. Provision GPUs, pick batch size and mixed precision, and set automated validation checks in CI to catch regressions. Once models train, evaluate across your success metric and error modes, and make incremental changes to data. Finish by deploying with a canary or blue-green strategy so you limit blast radius and measure real-world behavior. Instrument latency, errors, throughput, prompt drift, and user feedback. Wire alerts for SLA breaches and anomaly spikes. If issues appear, roll back, compare a/B metrics, and trigger a focused retrain on problematic cases. One key troubleshooting tip: when outputs degrade, test with your original baseline dataset and seed to isolate model drift versus prompt or infra changes. This quickly reveals the root.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.